Today we're taking a look at the Pemidor 2-in-1 Dust Cyclone Collector Separator, a workshop accessory designed to help woodworkers, carpenters, and DIYers extend the life of their shop vacuum filters while maintaining peak suction performance. As the name suggests, the Pemidor utilizes a two-stage cyclonic separation system. Larger debris and the majority of dust are captured in a nearly 5-gallon collection bin, while a secondary filter catches finer particles before they reach your shop vacuum. The result is impressive. After extensive testing, the vacuum itself remained virtually spotless. Installation flexibility is another plus. The unit can be mounted permanently to a wall using the included mounting bracket or equipped with the supplied caster wheels for a portable setup that can be easily moved around the shop. Construction quality exceeded expectations. The separator is built from durable, heavy-duty plastic that feels sturdy and well-suited for workshop use. Assembly is straightforward, and the included hose adapter appears to be designed for universal compatibility with most shop vacuums. For long-term durability and a more secure connection, I recommend adding a hose clamp to the attachment points. Performance is where the Pemidor really shines. During testing, the nearly 6-foot supplied hose had no trouble handling heavy wood dust when paired with my 4.5 horsepower shop vacuum. The 2.5-inch hose diameter provides strong airflow and quickly removes both fine dust and large wood chips. I cut multiple wood studs using a miter saw and found that the separator had no issues collecting and containing the resulting debris. While total setup was only about 10 to 15 minutes, several details were left unexplained. For example, during initial testing, the unit wasn't collecting material properly because of a supplied plug that needed to be installed on the bottom of the separator. A more detailed step-by-step guide would have eliminated this confusion and improved the overall user experience. The Pemidor effortlessly collected an entire bag's worth of miter sawdust while preventing virtually any debris from reaching the vacuum itself. For anyone who routinely delays replacing expensive shop vacuum filters or repeatedly cleans them with compressed air, potentially reducing their effectiveness, this separator offers a practical solution. Shop vacuum filters aren't cheap, and neither is replacing a vacuum that's been subjected to excessive dust exposure over time. By intercepting the majority of debris before it reaches the vacuum, the Pemidor 2-in-1 Dust Cyclone Collector Separator can help reduce filter maintenance, preserve suction performance, and potentially extend the life of your equipment. For woodworkers, contractors, and serious DIY enthusiasts looking for a cost-effective way to improve dust collection, the Pemidor delivers strong performance, solid construction, and impressive results. Just be prepared to spend a few extra minutes figuring out the setup process.